Okay, hello everyone. So I'm here to review this Hazet 2162M grease gun. So I bought this from online shop and wasn't basically able to see how these are fabricated and like that. So once I received this, I noticed that it is quite bad quality. I mean, the design point of view, it's like a joke. And what I mean by that, first of all, the piston here where the grease goes, there's this kind of a bottom cap and there's a hole, and the piston that it had was this drawn metal cup, and like you can see, there is no any kind of seals here. It was quite loose inside this tube. So you can imagine when you put some grease inside here, the oils will get separated and it will leak eventually to your wherever you're holding it. So, and I don't like that. That's very bad design if it leaks. So what I ended up doing is I made this kind of a plastic piston which has groove, and then in the groove installed this kind of a O-ring which goes inside here. So I already have one here, and also I needed to hone this hole because the surface was not even throughout the cylinder, and also there is no seal between this cylinder and this top part, so the grease might leak from here as well once you push the piston in. And the thing, and the bad thing regarding this is that there's no spring which pushes the piston, so basically you need to, whenever it's not pushing any grease anymore, you need to push this piston upwards at that moment. So not a good design in that sense. Of course you could add afterwards a spring here, but there is nothing to hold it down, so it would make the filling much more not so convenient. So I decided that I'll not install any piston, I mean spring here to push the piston, and basically even this cap, I think it might protect it if you drop it. Otherwise this might get bent, and then you cannot move the piston so well. And what else? Okay, then there's no seals also on this piston that pushes it, but I've noticed that it's not leaking in that sense. There's no pressure inside, and if you're not pushing the piston, so it will not leak in that sense. So what is my opinion on this one? Well, let's say if you're not willing to fix it by yourself, I don't suggest to buy this. It's not good. I've noticed online that there are many brands printed on this similar kind of devices, so most likely most of them are the same with different brands. I noticed that this Hazet one, at least in Europe, is most likely the cheapest version, something like 24 euros or like that. But if you're willing to make a new piston for it, then it's actually quite good in that sense. Nowadays, in my opinion, most of the, many of the devices that you buy, they are, let's say, half made. So, and this is no exception. I've kept that, in my opinion, Hazet brand is very good and like that, but this is something that is not good. Thanks for watching. Bye.